but very tasty and well worth the effort. Stick around and I hope you enjoy. That was a really good one too. Unreal. As I said, Homestead Foodie. We are on a homestead actively, and yes, there are dogs. But stick around and I hope you enjoy. We got our blackberries flowering. We've got our mulberries coming in. Not ready yet, but they're getting there. Got our blueberries. They just started flowering again. So yeah, that's gonna be nice. Over here we got some potatoes. They're still flowering, so they're not ready to go yet. And we got our banana trees. Now all of these used to be over here, but we moved them. We felt like they were overly crowded. So we're putting them into some individual pots, and then we're gonna replant them somewhere on the property, probably over in this area or something. So for the sake of time, I've already done my onions and garlic and shallots, but I'll show you guys the mushroom prep process right now. Pretty simple. We just take it, whole thing, turn it to the side. On to the next. Put that in the container. And we are ready to go. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so let's prepare our turkey bacon. With a quick little stack. And we are done. All right, so let's prepare our sourdough. Give it a cut right down the center. See what we got. Look at that. Look at there. Beautiful. Again, thank you very much, dear. All right, put this to the side. Now we're gonna get our slices ready. We're gonna go for some thicker slices. Turn. Repeat on the other side. That's one. Cut again. Turn. Repeat on the other side. That is two. All right, sourdough ready to go. Okay, folks, let's make our mushroom hash. Hit it with some olive oil. Looks like I need to give it a little bit more heat. Okay, we've got our olive oil up to heat, so we're gonna throw in our mushrooms. Well, obviously that's not our mushrooms. Our onions. Our mushrooms. Our turkey bacon. shallots. Mix that around. Now it's looking like these mushrooms and onions have sucked up a lot of that oil, so just gonna make a little pocket here in the center, a little space in the center, pour a little bit more olive oil in there, and there we go. Let's season with some black pepper. And some salt. Now this is just the first pass of seasonings. I usually incorporate everything, taste, and then, you know, add more seasoning if needed. So basically what we're trying to do is just get this, looking to get some color on this, some caramelization through and through before we add any more ingredients. So this is going to need to cook for a bit. Have to cook off that water from the veg. And once we do, you should start seeing some nice caramelization. So as you can see, we're finally starting to get the veg and everything to break down. We're slowly starting to get some caramelization. You know, just have to be patient, and eventually you'll get there. Let me give this a taste and see where we are. That's tasty. That works. All right. Now let's get with our red chili flake and our balsamic vinegar. Let's incorporate all that. Put the garlic in. Give it one last taste. See if I need to adjust the seasoning. No, it's good. I like it. Let's call that done. I'm going to put this off to the side. And then we will move on to preparing the bread. Okay, so let's get our bread toasted and ready to go. Put some butter in the pan. So as you can see, we're reheating our mushroom hash. And then once you warm it through, get it nice and hot, transfer it to your buttery toast that is sitting in wait. Let's start transferring it to our toast and start building our open face sandwich. Now, if you're looking at this thinking to yourself, well, that's not enough. Hey, just make a little bit more. Up the recipe. Put some butter in this pan. Give them a full toast. Push this out of the way. Fresh glove on. And hit them with our cheese. Folks, two beautiful open-faced mushroom hash breakfast sandwiches finished with Parmesan cheese and black pepper. They smell incredible and they taste even better. Trust me, I've made this dish many times. Well, I hope you've enjoyed your time here with us. We have definitely enjoyed our time with you. Please stop by again and we'll see you next time.